السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. طلاب المستوى الأول تخصص محاسبة انجليش. هنتكلم النهاردة عن الاوبريتنج سيستم نقلا عن الدكتور رفعت صالح. هنتكلم النهاردة ان شاء الله عن شوية أسئلة مهمين بيقابلونا في المادة بتاعتنا. أول سؤال عندي بيقول why review computer architecture. We focuses on how operating system work. Operating system or system software are one of the two main types of software. The other is application software. However, we needed to know some important things about the hardware inside of a computer in order to understand some of the critical function of any operating system. Computer architecture refers to the overall design of the physical parts of the computer. That is refers to what the main parts are, how they are physically connected to each other, and how they work together. Although all of the parts of the computer are connected to each other by the motherboard, the operating system is essential in order to control how those parts talk to each other. Without the operating system, the parts of the computer wouldn't be able to do anything that the user need them to do. We need to know some basics about how the main parts of the computer are physically connected to each other before we can truly understand what an operating system does. الفيجر اللي قدامنا ده طبعا بيوضح المذر بورد، شكل المذر بورد بالتشيبس اللي فيها، بالمكان بتاع البروسيسور، بالمكان بتاع الرامات. diagram of system bus architecture ده بيوضح الانبوت والاوتبوت باسز بالشكل الموضح امامنا، والرسمة واضحة جدا. the fetch decode execute cycle بنقول فيها اول خطوة عندي check PC register for address of next instruction. تاني حاجة retrieve next instruction from RAM and place it in register. Place address of next instruction MBC register. Execute first instruction. The CPU finds, interprets, and execute program code using a specific cycle as follows. 1. The CPU look in the PC register for the location of the next program instruction. 2. The PC retrieves the next instruction from RAM and place it in a register. 3. The CPU changes the PC register with the address in RAM for the next instruction. 4. The CPU performs the first instruction and repeat the cycle until the power is lost. Fast fact: RAM is a device. Without an operating system, a computer wouldn't be able to use RAM chips. This is because your computer treats the RAM chips like a device that has been installed, just like a webcam or a printer. When your computer first starts up, it can only use a small amount of RAM memory, 1 megabyte, that's built into the motherboard. Device drivers for RAM chips are included with the operating system and must be loaded as a part of the boot process in order for the RAM to work. Problem: if RAM needs an operating system to work and an operating system needs RAM in order to work, how does your computer activate its RAM to load the operating system? Solution: device drivers for RAM are loaded during the early kernel initialization stage. What's an operating system? To use your computer or any other computerized device, there are application and system software. Applications are the programs you use to do tasks, such as write a document, surf the web, or play games. System software runs the computer system for you. Another name for system software is an operating system. There are many different operating systems, but they all have a similar architecture or structure. That's because they must all overcome the same problems and perform the same basic function. An operating system must be able to manage system resources, CPU scheduling, process management, memory management, input or output device management, storage device management, hard disk and CD or DVD drives, etc. File system management, simplify the development and use of application. The structure of operating system زي ما احنا شايفين كده. اول حاجة عندنا user، بعد كده الابليكيشن، بعد كده operating system، بعد كده الهاردوير. Interfacing with an operating system. Types of user interface. عندنا نوعين من الانترفيس بتاعنا زي ما انتم شايفين قدام حضراتكم كده. ان شاء الله سنوافيكم بالجديد في كل محاضرات. مع خالص تحياتنا، تمنياتنا بالتوفيق. إلى اللقاء في محاضرة قادمة إن شاء الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.